Okay, let's continue. Number 5. Which feature of Java allows it to run on multiple platforms without modification? Letter A. Bytecode and Java Virtual Machine. Letter B. Object-oriented programming. Letter C. Garbage collection. Letter D. Syntax similarity to C++. Number 6. Which project of Sun Microsystems led to the creation of Oak? Letter A. Green Project. B. Blue Project. C. Yellow Project. D. Red Project. Number 7. What is a key reason C++ was not suitable for embedded systems compared to Oak or Java? Letter A. Lack object-oriented features. Letter B. Required manual memory management. Letter C. Could not handle graphics. Letter D. Too easy to use. Number 8. How did the rise of the internet influence Oak's evolution into Java? Letter A. Internet required a language optimized for servers only. Letter B. Internet increased the demand for platform-independent web programs. Letter C. Internet slowed down embedded systems projects. Letter D. Internet removed the need for smart appliances. Number 9. What aspect of Java was revolutionary during the 1990s? Letter A. Its complex syntax. Letter B. Platform independence and security. Letter C. Its exclusivity to Sun Microsystems hardware. Letter D. Limited use in embedded systems. Number 10. Which of the following is an example of platform independence in real life? Letter A. Reading a translated book in different countries. Letter B. Using a desktop printer only. Letter C. Installing software manually on every computer. Letter D. Writing a program that only runs on Windows. Number 11. What role does the Java Virtual Machine play? Letter A. Converts bytecode into machine code specific to the system. Letter B. Manages user interfaces. Letter C. Optimizes network connections. Letter D. Handles file storage. Number 12. Why was security a critical feature of Java during its early web use? Letter A. To improve performance, to allow applets from unknown sources to run safely. Letter C. To amplify syntax. Letter D. To enable better graphics. Number 13. What programming paradigm does Java use that help its adoption? Letter A. Functional programming. Letter B. Object-oriented programming. Letter C. Procedural programming only. Letter D. Assembly level programming. Number 14. Which industries benefit from Java today? Letter A. Finance, mobile apps, and web services. Letter B. Agriculture only. Letter C. Mining and construction. Letter D. Traditional printing. Number 15. What features of Java addresses memory safety issues common in C and C++? Letter A. Manual memory allocation. Letter B. Garbage collection. Letter C. Pointers. Letter D. Platform independence. Number 16. How did embedded system requirements influence early Java design? Letter A. Made Java complex and resource heavy. Letter B. Led to lightweight, efficient, and memory-safe features. Letter C. Forced Java to be written in C. Letter D. Remove object-oriented features. Number 17. Java applets were originally designed to run in letter A. Mobile phones, B. Web browser, C. Desktop-only applications, letter D. Game consoles. Number 18. Who is often called the father of Java? Letter A. Linus Torvalds. Letter B. James Gosling. Letter C. Björn Strostrup. Letter D. Guido van Rossum. Number 19. Java's automatic memory management primarily solves letter A. Cross-platform issues. Letter B. Manual memory allocation errors and crashes. Letter C. Network connectivity problems. Letter D. Syntax errors. Number 20. What does Java evolution from O teach about programming languages. Letter A. Programming languages never change. Letter B. They adapt to technological and real-world needs. Letter C. They remain limited to their original purpose. And letter D. They always replace older languages immediately. The answer key for Lesson 1, The Origins of Java from Oak to Global Innovation, Quarter 1, Java. Number 1, letter B, James Gosling. Number 2, letter B, Embedded Systems and Smart Appliances. Number 3, letter B, Oak was trademarked by another company. Number 4, letter B, Write Once, Run Anywhere. Number 5, letter A, Bytecode and JVM. Number 6, A, Green Project. Number 7, letter B, Required Manual Memory Management. Number 8, letter B, Internet increased the demand for platform-independent web programs. Number 9, letter B, Platform Independence and Security. Number 10, letter A, Reading a translated book in different countries. Number 11, letter A, converts bytecode into machine code specific to the system. Number 12, letter B, to allow applets from unknown sources to run safely. Number 13, letter B, object-oriented programming. Number 14, letter A, finance, mobile apps, and web services. Number 15, letter B, garbage collection. Number 16, letter B, led to lightweight, efficient, and memory-safe features. Number 17, letter B, web browsers. Number 18, letter B, James Gosling. Number 19, letter B, manual memory, allocation errors and crashes. Number 20, letter B, they adopt the technological and real-world needs. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.